Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use VirtualBox Linux Mint, easy method. Open VirtualBox and click New to create a virtual machine, pick Linux and choose the Mint ISO, assign RAM and disk size, enable EFI only if required, and configure network as NAT for internet. Start the VM and follow the on-screen installer prompts to complete the Linux Mint installation. Then install guest editions for better display and shared folders. Begin the installer inside the running virtual machine and choose your language, keyboard layout, and time zone, then create a username and password. When asked about installation type, pick the default option for a simple virtual disk install, unless you want custom partitions. Proceed through copying files and wait for installation to finish. Then reboot the VM and remove the ISO from the virtual drive so the machine boots into your fresh Linux Mint system. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making quick, useful guides. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, and the Little Trees Black Ice is a small, fun fix that pairs well with laptop travel or carpool coding sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After the first boot, install VirtualBox Guest Editions via Devices Insert Guest Editions CD image, then run the installer inside Mint to enable better video, mouse integration, and clipboard sharing. Set up a shared folder in VirtualBox settings and mount it in Mint for easy file transfer. Finally, run the Update Manager or sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to keep the system secure and up to date before installing extra software you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.